Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I'm back home. I hope you're all having a lovely time. Oh my goodness, look at my Yamaha, man. This chain is so rusty. Man, I gotta take care of it, man. I haven't been here for a while, and now, yeah, it's so rusty, man. I gotta take care of it. My car as well. I've lost one fuel pipe, and I can't drive it right now. This is the Zuzi, my Zuzi. My mom's name is Susan as well, so I call my bike Susie. Anyways, man, this is my baby, my Wrangler from '86 with a Corvette engine, LS2 from 2006. This thing is dirty. My goodness, I need to clean it up. But look at that, man. It's beautiful. Can't wait to get this thing on the track again. Man, we got these fat ass tires. Look at this. Yeah. It feels comfortable until 60 miles an hour. After that, it's just shaky like crazy. It's a shoebox with too much power. And this pipe makes problems. This pipe is gone from the inside. It's broke. It's dripping like crazy. You see that under the hood here. You see it under here. It's dripping like crazy, unfortunately. But anyways, we're gonna fix it today, probably, if we can find another pipe. And let's see, man. Yesterday was a beautiful trading day. I know you're all here to talk about trading, guys, so let's talk about trading. All right, let me set up the camera and then let me show you how I was able to make more than $30,000 yesterday. It was a lovely trade on Nasdaq, and I hope that all of you have banged on that one. All right, let me twist the camera. All right, team, I hope that all of you have banged on that trade yesterday. I hope that all of you have been profitable so far for the month. This was my first trade this month. Monday, Tuesday I was not trading because I was with my girl. I was on tour with my girl. We've been to Amsterdam and all that stuff. So yeah, we had a good time, good food and stuff like that. Yeah, just couple time, you know. And so yeah, yesterday I took my first trade this month. It was a banger, guys. I made $32,413. Right, let's get into the charts. Let me show you what was happening in here. This is the current month, so we are up 3%. Last month we made nearly 200,000, guys. Nearly 20%, 19.7%. This is what we banked last month. And yeah, for this month I hope we can do the same thing. We are already up 3.2%, which is lovely, guys. So let's get into the Nasdaq 1 hour time frame. What we can see over here. Well, Monday's movement was bearish, right? Tuesday's movement was bearish as well. We took out some significant swing points on the 1 hour time frame in here and in here, and then we had a really aggressive reaction of more than 1,500 pips. Tuesday late New York session, and then market was ranging after that. But what I was expecting, as we have a pretty solid upward trend, we are slashing through all-time highs nearly every week recently, so I was looking for buying opportunity. And yeah, we had some news events yesterday. So I was really watching the charts. I wanted to see some intraday lows get taken out before I wanted to buy. So I wanted to see that some buyers getting stopped out, some sellers got tricked into the market. This is what I wanted to see before stepping into the game with a buy position. I've shared this trade with all of you for free. I hope that all of you have banked on that trade. Let me get into the 5-minute time frame. Let me show you what was going on in here. So I marked up this low in here, this low in here, and the yesterday's Asian range low in here as well, and we took them all out. After we took them all out, I was looking for a reversal sign on the smaller time frame. I was really checking the 1 minute time frame on that trade, and yeah, we got a beautiful break-off structure on the 1 minute time frame. As you can see, the market slashed to this one. We had a beautiful move in here. This was for me the beginning of the bullish movement, and yeah, we have beautiful 3-leg extension. You see that with fair value gaps in between as well. So this move was with a lot of force. We have 2 imbalances in here, even 3 imbalances in here. So I was starting to buy this thing in here. I had my stop sitting below this low, and I wanted to take first profits around in this area, the recent high of that day. This is what I was targeting, and yeah, this is where I took like 80% off the table, as I told all of you. And I was holding one position, and I wanted to see this thing smash through all-time highs again, but it came back in the late New York session yesterday evening, stopped me out at break even. So overall we just banked 32,000 on that trade. But yeah, overall was a pretty awesome trade. For today we already have like crazy bullish movements, as you can see. Yeah, the market is moving up like crazy already. I'm not sure if I'm going to chase the market today. We really have to get like a pretty decent pullback before I'm interested in stepping in. I'm not going to chase that trade. Let's see what we have. New York session, the New York session that I love to trade starts in 2 hours. So I'll probably have the video uploaded until then. Let's see if we are going to get another entry on Nasdaq today. If I'm going to find something, if I take something, I'm going to keep you updated in the free Telegram channel. So if you're not inside yet, make sure to check the links in the description down below. Join the free Telegram channel to get updated about my trading decisions. And if you need any help, just drop me a message in Telegram. I'm going to give you the Extreme Zone trading strategy for free. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, drop a comment down below. And yeah, oh wait. I nearly forgot, we need to make a huge giveaway, guys. Oh my goodness. Alright, now let's get into the giveaway, guys. So yeah, I'm going to pick 5 winners today. 5 times the Genius Trading Masterclass course with lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our team. And yeah, 1 time we're gonna get somebody the $300 trading capital. Let's do it, guys. Let's filter the duplicate users so everybody has the same chance. Okay, what we have. So we have around 124 unique comments. Let's pick the winner, guys. Let's see who is the winner. Hector Antonio Vargas Amayo. Alright, you're the first winner. Congratulations, my man. Just make sure that you send me a screen record how you can edit the comment. I want to see how you can edit it to make sure that it's you, and then I'm going to get you inside the masterclass course if you're not already inside. And yeah, I'm going to get you inside the inner circle group chat with all where you are connected to all traders from our team. Alright, now let me pick another winner for the Genius Trading Masterclass course. Okay, Mr. MRGA. I'm not giving away FTMO, but you can have the Genius Trading Masterclass course if you want. If not, then maybe I should pick another one. Anyways, let's pick another winner. How many unique commenters we have? 113. So let's raffle for the Genius Trading Masterclass course with lifetime membership inside the inner circle. Okay, I cannot spell your name, but if you see that, you are the lucky winner. And now let's get into our $300 trading capital giveaway. If you win this and you are not inside the inner circle of our team, if you don't have the Genius Trading Masterclass course, I'm going to give you the Masterclass course on top to make sure that you have all the knowledge that you need to turn that $300 into $1 million, man. Let's get it. So what we have, K and I, for you are the lucky winner. You have the $300 trading capital. Make sure that you show me that you can indeed comment with a screen record video, and then I'm going to send you the $300 straight to your trading account on ottmarkets.com. Alright, so let's pick the last winner, guys. The last winner can win the Genius Trading Masterclass course as well. Let's see who we have. Zoe Veravilla. Yeah, congratulations and thank you for being part of the supporters since day one. I really love it. Love to hear that. If you're not inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course yet, I'm going to get you inside yet. And yeah, let's see what you can do, guys. I'm really happy for all your support. Thank you so much for everything, guys. And yeah, see you inside the next video. So make sure to join the free Telegram channel to stay updated for the next trading opportunities. And yeah, I'm going to enjoy the sunshine a little bit today, because it was a while ago that I catched a lot of sun. I need to get my Tom back, you know, and fix the Wrangler today. And then yeah, I'm going to fix my motocross bike as well. Needs a little service, some new oil, and need to clean the chain, get all the rust off the chain and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care, guys. Peace. Every time I, my body, you know.